Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling cover to mute gestures on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When cover to mute is enabled, you can cover your watch screen with the palm of your hand when you receive a notification to mute the alert. You need to cover the watch for at least 3 seconds. You will feel a tap to confirm that the mute has worked. You need to enable this setting before you can use it. Follow the steps to learn how to enable it. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and select gestures. In the gestures settings, tap the toggle to the right of cover to mute to enable or disable the setting. With the setting enabled, you can simply cover the watch with your palm to mute any notification. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.